let me show you how to add your first product. From the Shopify editor, let's return to the Shopify dashboard tab. Then, on the left-hand side, click Products. You'll see the example products here from the homepage that come with the Horizon theme. To add a new product, click Add Product in the top right. At the top, give your product a simple name that your customers will recognize. For this tutorial, I'll call mine Classic Button Down. Below that, you can add a product description. Here you have formatting tools, you can add media, and you can use Shopify's Generate Text feature here as well. I'll paste in what I had prepared from earlier. Below the description, you'll see the media section. Here, you can upload your product photos. Try to use clear, high-quality photos that will show the product from a few different angles. These can make a big impact on how well your store does. Based on your information so far, your category will likely autofill, but you can change it if you need to. Under Pricing, set the price that you want to charge for this product. If you expand this dropdown, you'll find options to set a compare at price, a unit price, you have a checkbox for charging tax, and you can enter the cost information. If you enter that cost, Shopify will show you your profit and your margin for this product. Below the price section is the inventory section. If you want Shopify to track inventory for you, make sure to toggle this Inventory Tracked button. Then you can enter the inventory details in the drop-down fields below. Under Shipping, you have a physical product toggle, and you can toggle this off if you're selling a digital product. If you're not, keep it toggled on, and you can enter your package information here. Like inventory, there are some additional options in this dropdown. And if your product comes in different sizes or colors, you can configure all of your options easily in the Variants section. For example, adding sizes is easy. Click Size here, and then in this field, you can quickly select the sizes that you offer. Once you add your variants, you'll see some fields added that you can enter information about each individual variant. And finally, if you scroll down a little further, you'll see the Category Meta Fields section. Because shirts and clothing tops was picked as the product category above, Shopify automatically filled in things like age group, target gender, and top length type. These fields help Shopify understand what you're selling, which can improve how your products show up across your store. Once everything is looking good, go up to the top right and click Save. Now that you have your first product in Shopify, head back to the Products page, and now that we have one of our own products, you can select these example ones, and you can bulk delete them by opening the three-dot menu. Here, Confirm.